Good morning, students. Yesterday we discussed about force and we discussed the definition, its effects and the types of force. Today we will discuss balanced and unbalanced force. Force, the amount of force is not only important, rather its direction is also important. So we will get an idea about direction and the amount of force or its magnitude by the help of this topic. So you can see the two pictures which are given here. In the first picture, two persons are applying force on the big block or big box and they are applying force in the same direction. And in the second picture, the two persons are applying force on the big box but from the opposite direction. By the help of these cases only, we will get an idea of unbalanced and balanced force. First is unbalanced force. It is a force that causes change in state of rest or motion or shape of the object. So, unbalanced force causes change in state of rest or motion or shape of object. Object changes its shape also, or it can change the state of rest or motion also if unbalanced force acts on it. And there are two cases of unbalanced force. In the first case, you can see first picture, both the person are applying force in the same direction but the amount of force is not equal. It is 2 Newton from one person and 4 Newton from another person. Newton is the unit of force. So overall force which is acting on the box will be the added force of both the person. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 Newton. So the box will experience a force of 6 Newton. Now in the second case, both the person are applying force of 4 Newton and 2 Newton again but in the opposite direction. So the box will experience a force of 4 minus 2 Newton, that is 2 Newton. So in both the cases the box will move, but in the first case box will experience a force of 6 Newton and in the second case box will experience a force of 2 Newton. Now balanced force, it does not cause change in the motion or shape of an object. Balanced force never causes change in the state of motion or shape of any object. Now you see the picture, both the person are applying force on the block or box but the amount of force exerted by both the person is equal but opposite. 2 Newton both of them are exerting. So overall force which the box is experiencing, that will be 2 minus 2 equals to 0 Newton. No force is acting, that means no motion will take place. So that's all about balanced and unbalanced.